eggs lying around the house? Okay, good, because we got an awesome recipe for you. We're here with Vinny at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace, and he's gonna show us what's cooking today.
Lily, we're making a frittata. We're doing it in a muffin tin.
Oh, fancy.
Yeah, 6 eggs in the bowl. While Lily is whisking, we're gonna start incorporating some other ingredients. This is heavy cream, cheddar jack going in.
Keep whisking.
Keep whisking. You're gonna be whisking this whole time. Thinly sliced asparagus, whisk away. Peas with eggs, what? You'll see. Then we got some spring onions going into the mix. Now we got some Pecorino Romano.
There's never enough cheese, ever.
Well, I'm glad you said that, because now we're gonna add our crumbled goat cheese. I'm gonna ask you to please stop whisking. We're gonna remove the whisk. Gently fold in our crumbled goat cheese. If you would have been whisking this in,
It would have just
you would have lost it.
lost it.
A little bit of salt. Lily, I believe you have the pepper.
Sure do.
Look at that. Beautiful. This is gonna go in the oven now, 325, for about 15, 20 minutes. Oh boy. Lily, look at those.
Wow.
Look at that. Those are spring frittatas right there.
The recipe will be on our website, news12.com. Let's dig in.
Yeah, I would love you to.
Brunch time.
Yeah.